everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel in VBA Learnings. In this video I will give you a short definition of what variables are in VBA. Okay, so variables are nothing but declaring or assigning the initial value in VBA, that is known as variables. Okay, so it's really very basic. Variables are nothing but assigning a beginning, initial value in VBA. Okay, so I will repeat it again. What are variables? Variables are nothing but assigning a beginning and initial to a variable in VBA. So this is what variables are in VBA. So there are a lot of variables that are used in VBAs, like you use integers, you use strings, you use double as a variable, you use boolean. There are four types of variables that we use in VBA, so that we will going to see in our next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.